Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Hope everybody is having a great day, week, month, whatever the case may be. Here I just want to drop some more gems for you guys, let you guys know how the business is up and running. Obviously I am in my my own personal uniform, I guess you would say. But yeah. So let's get to it. As of right now, I am currently working on some of my clothes. Gotta be more consistent with that, work in progress with showing you guys how the pickup and drop-off service tend to go normally. But right now I'm doing a residential client. Pretty simple. She only had 2 loads. We used 3 washers. And she wanted our standard package. Everything is fine, everything is going good. This is one of our more like better clients, so she doesn't want her clothes to be folded. She wants her clothes to be hung. So that's also something that we incorporated into our prices and everything like that. Normally hanging clothes is honestly a lot more easier, honestly. So we don't charge like, we make it fair, but I don't even, sometimes depending on like the size of the loads, prices can vary. So like if it's like 10 bags of laundry, of course we gonna have to charge, a hanging fee. But if it's like 1 or 2, it's free, because like I said, hanging is a lot more easier than just having to, take your time, making sure you folding and all the creases are right and everything like that. So, but yeah, so what I wanted to say to you guys, what I'm working on now, as I've been doing this client, I'm just thinking of things, man, where I can just be more innovative, honestly. It's like even today, what we did was just driving around as we was doing this, was just like posting up flyers, flyers. Get you some flyers, definitely get some flyers for marketing as you guys are trying to get your business growing. I'm gonna show you guys something else. As you guys do that, literally buy one of these. I got this from, I think I got this from like, not Staples, one of these hardware stores, where you can go get them, not Best Buy, like Lowe's and stuff like that. You can get one of them staple guns. No, Home Depot. I got it from Home Depot, and it was only like $12-13 just for like a good quality. That's a Husky one, so I think it's probably a little bit more. But as you are at LLC, you buying them things can be used as a tax exempt. You buying that for your business, so it's not like saying you just coming out of pocket and you won't get that money back in return. You can get that money back in return if you use it as a tax exempt. So just be mindful when you do buy it, like things that you need for your business. Don't just think like, oh, I'm spending all my personal money because you're a new business, so you might have to spend some of your personal money. But don't think that you can't get that back at the end of the year when you file your taxes and everything, and show that you pay for these things and everything. So just be mindful. But like as you're doing your business, always try to for room for growth. Like it's not just a one-off type of thing. You gotta continue to do it. As like I said, as I was doing this client, I'm still promoting. I'm still going around stapling up my flyers to the trees and stuff like that. So just be innovative, be creative. You guys keep doing what you guys are doing. You guys are definitely going to be trending in the right way. You don't want to ever just stop and be stagnant and not know what to do next. You got to just keep brainstorming, bounce ideas off of somebody who's in the same cloth or same like-minded mindset as you. You can't talk to everybody about business because some people are not business people. It's not saying that they can't be. They just choose rather to just stay where they at. So like for example, I was talking to one of my cousins who had his own business that he's running, and I got some ideas with him, and I'm thinking like, all right, man, like 3 out of 4 days a week I am like working on marketing, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Like, what is some tips that you would say, because he's, like I said, he's really running a business, what is some tips that you would say for me as being a new entrepreneur? He said, man, like I don't just do it 3 or 4 days out of a week, I do it every day. And I'm thinking like, wow, like every day he's doing something. It don't got to be something extravagant. It could be a little as 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, where you could just be researching. Maybe you research your business, researching ideas, talking to somebody about it. Maybe get some advice from somebody who's in that same field as you. It could be just a different multitudes of ways where you can be working on your business every day. Like I said, I'm thinking I'm doing good 3-4 days out of the week. I'm doing majority of the times out of the week, but I gotta up it even more. Up it even more, which is, it just makes me want to more hungry for it though. That's how I feel for myself. Some people might feel like they're, you know, not lazy, but make excuses of why they can't do it. But if you really want to become an entrepreneur and a successful one at that, you really need to be working on your business every day. And mind you, I don't know everything. I'm telling you guys what I know when I'm finding out, and I'm bringing you guys information as well. So like I said, these are just some tips what you probably should be doing on a daily basis, whether that's with marketing, talking to people, going out, literally going out with your flyers or business cards, going door to door sometimes if you got that type of business, marketing on social media. Social media is a huge source of getting your word out. I really came up with my own kind of like prompt message where I'm just going off for almost every one of my friends and discovering people, where I'm just sending them a prompt message, just letting them know, hey, I got a mobile laundry business. If you need me, let me know. Like a whole little, like, nice little, not a paragraph, but like nice little kind of sums it up what I do. And if you guys are interested in service, I can do that service for you. And not just residential people, not just like people that I know, but anybody else also. Like we're messaging salons and barbershops and, you know, hairdressers and stuff like that. So spas, we're also messaging them now. So just continue to just try to grow. That's why I keep telling you guys some of the marketing tips, because a lot of it right now, because I took care of a lot of my like my kind of like paperwork stuff that already, I got the LLC. I took care of my I'm actually in context with like a residential, like to have my LLC paperwork go to like an actual business office. And that's gonna be coming soon in a couple videos. So yeah, just them other things I don't want to talk too much on, because I'm trying to get them done first so I can actually talk to you about what needs to be done when you actually want to do it. So as of now, man, you got to do marketing, because marketing is going to help your business grow, and that's one of the main keys of marketing the business. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys. So it's a beautiful day out here today. A little hot, but it's okay. Just want you guys to have a good day. Please continue to strive for greatness and be great in anything that you do. And let's get it, man. Let's go out here and get and become successful together. All right, see you guys.
To the next level, friend of mine say the best of them. Shorty say I can flex for you, knowing she's not even flexible. It's cool. I just